As of yesterday, we had 11,000 Kenyans registered, and we are registering at a rate of 800 per day, which is a massive, if you like, interest. When we started this project, we did a census actually here at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to see how many vehicles were passing along the Mombasa Road. On one day, we counted about 40,000 vehicles, and this is what was creating jam along this corridor. So that we are doing in collaboration with the contractor who is here. But also we are doing an enhancement to the old road. For example, we shall be putting a BRT, the bus rapid transit system. That is addition to what was there before.
I'll be using like 15 minutes. Yeah, so more than an hour. Yeah, especially using the highway continuously here chini.
Tumia kama 45 minutes mpaka Mlolongo. Even longer times. It depends on the condition. Lakini maybe 20 minutes or even less.
Barabara itanisaidia ku save time and also fuel. Because from here to Mombasa Road, at the River Junction, at the River Junction, I used to take around maximum of an hour or 2 hours when there's traffic. Lakini saizi naona itani take 28 minutes, less than 30 minutes going there, because there's no traffic, there's no roundabouts, and it's express. And I like it because it's faster.